What's good, YouTube? What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to define and make your natural hair coily. So yeah, this is my very dried and dusty hair. Yeah, so this is my hair. I'm about to turn this to very nice coily look. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like this video so that YouTube can recommend videos like this to more people. Support my channel, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, don't mind my nails. Let's get into the video. She's on fire. Oh, she's on fire. Oh, she's Delilah. Oh, she's Delilah. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply water on my hair first because it's so dry. It's so dry, so I just want to apply water. Yes. You don't really need too much, trust me. When you use a gel, eco styler gel, whatever gel you have, you can use Vaseline, but today we're not using Vaseline, we're using this and this is Cantu leave-in conditioner. This is what I use on my hair almost every time, so we're using this and this. If you want to see a video of how I use Vaseline to comb my hair, drop a comment in the comment section and show you how to. Why won't I show you how to? So you're going to take a little bit. Okay, that's very good, but you're just going to take enough and you apply this on your hair. Just want to apply it on your hair like that. It's already like coiling. It's my normal comb. Just comb it out. So I'm going to balance that one, but guys, this is like a lifesaver. It makes my hair so soft. And so yeah, I know some of you are saying my hair, you're wondering like, why does this hair has like multiple colors? I dyed my hair before. Yeah, I might probably put like a video here or something. I wanted to do a DIY to dye it black, and it didn't go well, so I'm still using it like this because nobody's gonna know unless I tell you. The gel, I got this gel from store close to my house. So you're just gonna apply this on your hair. So what I want to do now is, so I'm just going to pat this and I'm going to follow the line. Yeah, I'm looking over it right now, but trust the process. Trust this process. Apply more gel if the gel isn't enough. So you just need to like use your fingers like coil. Continue till you're done with the whole hair. So guys, I'm almost done. Just this part. So So guys, I'm back and this is the hair. So I'm going to let it dry and I'm going to show you guys an update after it has dried, and I'll be back.